So we're on a job in Hampshire today, just doing some lead works to this conservatory. So let's go up on the scaffold and see what it's all about. So this existing piece of step flashing hasn't been done correctly. The water line is way too low. That should be 75mm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this bit of step flashing. I'm going to get a thin mortar raking blade to cut through the lead wedges. If I try to prise that lead out, there's a good chance it's just going to blow the front of the bricks. I'm also going to put something onto this glass to protect it so it doesn't get scratched from all the mortar. As you can see, the client has had problems with this wall. You can see the damage there from the water ingress. The new bit of step flashing I'm going to put in, I'm actually going to do a step and cover flashing. I'm going to bring it out over this glazing bar and 50mm onto the glass. This cable here running through used to belong to a satellite dish, which is not in use, so I can actually cut that now completely out the way, which will make my life even easier. There's also a saddle detail to do at the top there and some lead works to the other side. So let's go over there and have a look at that too. Okay, for this side, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this cover strip. Once I've done that, I think the client just wants to clean that bit of glass running through there whilst he's got the opportunity. Then I'm going to put a cover flashing in, pinned onto this fascia board and 50mm out onto the glass, all the way up there. And then a separate cover flashing to cover all my fixings underneath the undercloak there. And there will also be another saddle detail to do at the top. So now we know what's going on, let's get a bench set up and get cracking. That's the old flashings removed now, and I'm just starting to come up with these flashings. So let's get the next piece fitted. Okay, now that piece is in, I'm just going to repeat the process and work my way to the top, and then I can look at that ridge saddle. Okay, that's all the flashings in on this side now. I've also now done the first part of this ridge saddle, so now I've done that, I'm going to start getting lead works in on the other side. That's the first two bits of flashing in now on this other side, and I'm just in the process now of making up this ridge saddle. So I've got it all tacked up And we'll take that down onto the bench now and get that welded up. Now that's all welded, I'm going to get that fitted, then I can start doing the head flashings. That's the ridge saddle fitted now, and the head flashing too. So that is job done. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me on Instagram at sobledworks. For inquiries you can email sobledworks@gmail.com. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.